to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. Guys, I'm doing a series on the ultimatemedium.com course, a 30-part series, and this is part 1 of the series, and we are going to start with how to join the medium.com partnership program. So what are the requirements, my friends, to join the Medium partnership program? Medium partnership program allows writers to get paid on their articles, which are called Medium stories in the Medium language. And in order to apply for the Medium partnership program, you need 100 followers on Medium. 100 followers, and all you need to do is you need at least one article, one story on Medium, and you have to abide by the Medium rules. So the thing is, you cannot just copy and paste articles from the internet. Plagiarism, you have to take care of the plagiarism issue, and this is a very important part, my friends. You cannot write plagiarism content on Medium. So also, my friends, you have to tick the paid meter option after you are monetized. So the thing is, these are the countries in which the Medium partnership program is available. The link is in the description box, my friends. This was part 1 in the medium.com ultimate course, the ultimate course, my friends. If you want to join Medium membership, link is in the description box, my referral link. This will help me a lot, my friends. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for part 2. I'll be signing off. Take care.